Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. I have a project share. These are embellishment books. I got this idea from Crafting with Liller. I'll post a link to her video in the description bar. But let me show you this. This is what they are. It's just like a little book, and you fill it with little embellishments for your swap partner. It's so cute. And you can add whatever you want. You can put stickers. I did the rosettes. And everything comes off, obviously, so that your partner can reuse them. These are little origami dresses. I have a video. These are really easy to do. So this is this one. Very cute. Okay, and then I'm going to show you this one. I just made this one just now. And I'm loving these. I have to make an embellishment box. I haven't done that yet. But again, everything comes off. It's just like with a little piece of foam so that your crafty buddy can take it and reuse it. But isn't it so cute? I love this. Very, very cute. Okay. And it's super easy to do. I'm just going to show you real quick the measurements. So all you need is your piece of cardstock measures 9 by 6, and we're going to score at 4, and you're going to score at 5. So these are the measurements, and this is the top cover. Okay. Then the inside cover measures 8 1/8 by 5 7/8, and we're going to score at 3 7/8 and 4 3/8. Okay, once you score it, you see this piece right here in the middle? Right here, just put your tape, and then you're gonna line it up to this piece here. So, tape, line it up in the middle, and there you have your book. Like I said, Lily posted a video and she decorated hers from beginning to end. But this is it. I'm going to be making so much more because I want to start swapping with friends. So I hope you guys like it. Bye.